Byonox Pvt Ltd. Where no thing is everything. Who are we? We are a spin-off company of BRIC, Institute of Life Sciences, Pvt. An autonomous research institute under Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. Are we a registered company? Yes, we are registered with Ministry of Company Affairs. Government of India, CIN, U721000OD 2024 PTC 0461138. What do we do? We work on biology of nitric oxide with an approach to develop drugs, pharmaceuticals that enhance body's ability to resist infections and for management of other metabolic diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, etc. Do we have anything unique? Yes, we discovered small molecules NOSIP inhibitors, patent protected in India, EU, and USA, that enhance body's ability to make nitric oxide. Why nitric oxide is important for the body? Nitric oxide influences your body in multiple ways. Decreases insulin resistance. Decreases acute and chronic inflammation. Protects against bacterial and viral infections. Decreases blood pressure. Increases energy levels and muscle tone. Slows down aging process. How does our patented NOSIP antagonists work? Nitric oxide, NO, is produced by nitric oxide synthase, NOS, using L-arginine as substrate. NOSIP acts as a negative regulator of NOS and inhibits NO production. Treatment with small molecule NOSIP antagonists, shown as yellow circles, blocks activity of the negative regulator NOSIP and enhances nitric oxide production by the enzyme nitric oxide synthase, NOS, in the body. Is there evidence demonstrating increased nitric oxide production by cells on treatment with NOSIP antagonist? Yes. Nitric oxide production by murine peritoneal macrophages is demonstrable by using a nitric oxide probe that detects nitric oxide released by cells. NOSIP antagonists increase nitric oxide production in a dose-dependent manner. Enhanced production of nitric oxide by NOSIP antagonists in human granulocytes is also demonstrable by flow cytometry. Production of intracellular nitric oxide by NOSIP antagonists in a dose-dependent manner is shown by staining the treated cells with a specific fluorescent dye DAFFM. Is there evidence to show that our patented NOSIP antagonists inhibit inflammation in animals? Yes. Inflammatory cytokines induced by treatment of mice with bacterial endotoxin is inhibited by treatment with small molecule NOSIP antagonists. Is there evidence to show that our patented molecules decrease blood pressure in animals? Yes. Treatment of mice with NOSIP antagonists decreases both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Is there evidence to suggest that our patented molecules decrease chemoresistance in tumor cells? Yes. PDC-2 tumor cells treated with cisplatin and NOSIP antagonist shrinks tumor size more effectively in nude mice. 6 each, than only by cisplatin. Is there evidence to suggest that our patented NOSIP antagonists potentiate activity of antibiotics in the body against bacterial pathogens? Yes. Mice challenged with Klebsiella SPS were cleared more rapidly from circulation on treatment with antibiotics administered with SM NOSIP antagonists than treated only with antibiotics. Is there evidence to suggest that our patented NOSIP antagonists enhance longevity? Yes. In a model of Drosophila meligogaster, male flies fed with small molecule NOSIP antagonists live longer in comparison to controls fed normal diet. Where does the NOSIP antagonists bind on the NOSIP protein? Computer modeling of structures of the 5 small molecules offer clarity on the binding sites of NOSIP antagonists, suggesting overlapping regions. What are we looking for? We are looking for investors and venture capitalists to invest for development of drugs for a variety of animal and human diseases such as drug-resistant bacterial infections, viral diseases, hypertension, reversal of drug resistance in cancer cells, and as nutraceuticals for enhancing muscle tone, energy, etc. Diabetes, acute and chronic inflammatory disorders. Are nitric oxide inducers used only as pharmaceuticals against diseases? No, they can also be used as nutraceuticals as energy drink, improving muscle tone, and for slowing down aging process to enhance longevity. Are there other drugs in the market for enhancing nitric oxide? Yes. Sildenafil Viagra, a phosphodiesterase inhibitor, enhances nitric oxide cGMP pathway without enhancing nitric oxide levels, unlike patented NOSIP antagonists used by Byonox that enhance endogenous nitric oxide, is being extensively used for management of erectile dysfunction and pulmonary hypertension. Two other generics, nitric oxide chemical donors, with very short half-life of few minutes, nitroglycerin and sodium nitroprusside, are chemical donors of nitric oxide, like inhalable nitric oxide, that release a single burst of nitric oxide, have limited clinical use. Are there nutraceuticals available in the global market to enhance nitric oxide in the body? Yes. There are many products primarily in Western countries, market size of US $2,000 million, that use commonly available non-patented amino acids and nitrite salts. Attempts to establish their biological efficacy have not been consistently successful. Thank you. How does one reach us? We can be contacted at balaravi@byonox.com, ravindran8@gmail.com, balaravi@ils.res.in.